So we have already spent a night here, but it was our first night after a 26-hour travel day.
Yeah.
So we weren't in the mindset to film that. Anyway, this is our little room. Did us really well. Aircon works well. This is our bed. Massive, by the way. It came much nicer presented. I might have a photo, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, this is our blanket. This is our Reese. Little fridge for us to use. Little drawer, hairdryer. And also a safe. We got a lovely, cute... Let's just ignore the mess everywhere that we've left. And we got a lovely little book that has loads of recommendations, house rules. There's a little map and everything. So cool. And also some language in the back to learn.
There's also different...
We tried this sushi last night they recommended. It was really good. We ordered it in.
Yeah, there was no way we were stepping out.
No.
Yesterday we was zombies.
Complete zombies. It's a bit drizzly today, so it's really humid. We're trying to avoid mozzies. Got a lovely little bathroom. A nice little shower. Yeah, I love these sinks. I think they're so cool.
But out the front of the little villa, they have like a live garden, which is literally in action as we speak.
They said, oh, whoa. But it's so lovely. We'll show you a bit more later. Right now we're trying to figure out what we're going to do for the rest of the day. We did a bit of shopping. Went to some markets.
We need to work on our haggling skills. We're not too good, but
no, we're not
also
too good. But first of all, it's our first day. Second of all, we can give them their prize for the day.
Yeah. Well, I'm not
if
going to
we normally
haggle
spend
over
it's
a few pounds. It means more to them.
You know what I mean? Let's show you a few bits we got. Well, the first thing we bought was from this shop. It was so cool inside.
Really cool. It's nice and simple. Bit of an oversized tee.
I bought this little set, which I think is so cute. It's a little skirt. And also this top to come with it. I like a tube top.